I'm an eagle named Brian. I'm very friendly. One day I was flying around looking for some food and saw a little bird looking very scared. I flew towards the little bird to help it up, but it looked like his wings were broken. I asked for his name, but he was too hurt to answer. The bird woke up the next day wondering where he was. I told him he was hurt, and I brought him back to my house to help him out. But before I could finish, he had already flown out of the window. He was pretty fast for a little bird. I went after him and told him that I had fixed his wings. All of a sudden, we had stopped. What did you say? Me and the little bird kept on flying and talking about why I helped him and why I didn't eat him up. I told him, I'm not a predator, and kept on flying. I finally asked for his name, and then he told me his name was To'o. Hi To'o, my name is Brian. We flew off talking, and all of a sudden, the air changed around us. It got a lot darker and very cold. It was getting scary, so To'o and I flew off, but we couldn't go back. It was like we had gone through a portal and couldn't go back. We heard a little voice and turned around to see a little fledgling and asked him how he got here and how long he has been in this creepy town by himself. But all he told us is he misses his mother. We told him we would try our best to get him back to his mother if it was the last thing we did. The kid was happy and started to smile again. We set off hoping to find another way back home. We searched everywhere for another way back home, but we didn't find anything. Strange. But then To'o said something that made me wonder. What if we do what we were doing before we came here? To'o said it was a brilliant idea, so we got set and I started to chase him like I did just before we turned up here. But nothing happened. Maybe there was something we needed to do before we could get back home. Then To'o said something else smart. What if we have to get the kid back to his mum before we can get back home? So we told the kid we're going to get him back to his mother. The kid got so excited, he couldn't stop talking the whole time we were searching for his mother. It took days to look for his mother, until one day we found a village full of people. We asked if anyone was missing a baby bird, and someone in the crowd put their hand up. Before we could ask the kid if that was his mother, the kid had already rushed off to hug her, and To'o and I knew our mission was accomplished. We ended up back home, and To'o and I became best friends forever.